how to log out of Twitter application on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Twitter on iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you want to log out of Twitter on iPhone, all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Twitter application first. So basically you can see I'm logged in, so I want to log out and log into my another account. In order to do that, I just have to tap on the profile icon from the top left. Once I tap on the profile icon, I'll go to the option called settings and support, and then over here I'll go to the option called settings and privacy again. So once I come to settings, at the very top you can see your account. Just tap on your account, and again you'll find account information. Just tap on the account information button, and then here you'll find the option called logout. So all you have to do is basically just tap on the option called logout. It'll ask you for a confirmation, so go ahead and then tap on the logout button and you'll be successfully logged out of your Twitter account. And now you can go ahead and then log into some other accounts, and this is basically how you can log out of Twitter app on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.